Creating construction geometry. Creating an axis between two planes. Let's go up to construct. In construct, we're going down to axis between two planes. We'll click on this tool. It'll ask us to select. I'll select a plane. I'll select this plane. I'll select this plane. It creates an axis here in cyan. I'll hit OK. And now I have an axis that runs, that's coincidence between those two planes. So that gives me an axis now that I can do some modeling around, such as revolve, for example. So this is axis through two planes.